Hi, my name is Camille Berby and I'm in my first semester in Springboard DSC. In short, this program is simply for finishing the basic courses that are in every program. I have classes like French, English, physical education, and philosophy. This allows the student to continue his study while deciding what specific program he would like to go to for the next semester. The student can also follow that program and catch up on classes that he needs for the future program. It can be classes like mathematics, chemistry, biology, physics, etc. It can also be for students that want to improve his or her school record. For example, some people have bad cut-eye, so they can really focus on less courses and raise their grade to have a better cut-eye. In this program, like every program, you need to do a lot of written work, mostly essay that requires a great grammar and vocabulary. If you have spelling, grammar, and syntax error, you can lose a lot of points, and you can have a really good text with good research and subject, but if you have too many errors, you can't have a perfect grade. Also, if your text is correct and your grade is like 60%, but you make too much error, you can fail your work. So basically, it's really important to have a great writing with little to no error. The website I will introduce you in a moment can help any student not only understand their error, but to have simply no error at all in their text, whether they're writing an important essay or a simple email to their teacher. So the website I will show you is grammarly.com. So basically you open a new tab on Google Chrome, you type in grammarly.com, and there you have it. You need to log in. I already did. So here you have the logo of the website, so Grammarly. You have the home page and my account. These two are not really important. There are apps and a premium if you want to go premium. You have a search bar here. So for example, I wrote a text on pollution and I have so many documents. I don't know where it is. So I just write pollution, and there you have it, my text on pollution. So let's see here, the number here, it's like the many error you still have on your text. Here is if you want to download your text or just delete the document. So let's go on a new one. So here you have it. It's very clear, very neat. I like it a lot. So let's just, you can add a title. So let's say mine is success. And now you copy paste your text that you had, and already the set goals that pops up. So you have the audience. What do you want? Do you want a general, knowledgeable, expert? I'm knowledgeable, formality neutral. The domain is only if you have a premium needs, but I don't have it. The tone, I would say I want analytical, respectful, and neutral. And I want to inform the public. I don't want to describe this or tell story. I just want to inform. You can reset to default if you have you just want to erase everything, but I'm good with what I have, so I hit done. So you can correct your error. So here I have an error on succeed. So they have a little description. They tell me it's a spelling error. So the word succeed does not exist, obviously. And if I want to, I can add it to the dictionary. This is mainly for name. I know that succeed written that way doesn't work, so I'm just not gonna add it, and I'm gonna click here to correct it, and boom, it's already corrected in my text. So if you go over here, you have another navigation menu. So you have the goals that I set earlier, my correctness. So I still have a lot of errors, but I'm gonna correct them. My text is very clear, pretty much engaging, a lot engaging. My delivery is just right. I even have the check mark. Here is if you want to go premium. And here you have if you want to write it in bold, italics, if you want to underline some words. These are for the heading. So heading 1, heading 2, if you want to add a link, and if you want to number your points, and if you want bullet points. Here is the number of words that I have. I have 124 words, 663 characters, so my letters, my comma, and my dot. It's take 29 seconds to read my text, 67 seconds if I read it out loud, and 62 of reliability score, so that means my clarity is about 62. So that's basically it. I love this tool. It helped me in a lot of um, English related homework or just work. So this website is grammarly.com and it's a free tool. Although if you want more precision, you can update to premium. It's really easy to use and it can be super helpful if you have a text to give to your teacher and you want the best grade possible by avoiding mistakes. So have a very nice day, and this is it for me. Uh, so yeah, I hope you will use it. It's a very helpful tool, like I said. And yeah, that's it. Bye.